Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a beautiful beaded bouquet boutonniere. Say that 3 times fast. And we're making it with the new Crystal Lane Crystal Garden Collection beads from John Bead. John Bead has everything you need to make any beaded project that you can imagine. Are you ready to jump in and make this beautiful beaded boutonniere? Let's do it. For this project, we're using the Crystal Lane Garden Collection of glass beads from John Bead. We're also using green bugle beads and 22 gauge green copper wire. You could also use head pins here, but I really like the look of this wire. The first thing we're going to do is cut 8 strands of wire about 3.5 inches long. Put your crystal garden beads on a tray and add some bugle beads, which will be our stems. Bend the very end of the wire a tiny bit to hold the beads, then add your flower and bugle beads for the stem, and for now, just bend the ends so the beads don't slip off. Create your next stem and use a little glass leaf before you add the bugle beads. For this stem, I'm using the faceted crystal check rondelles in concentric sizes. I'm also using a beautiful glass butterfly. Clip and bend the ends of each stem to secure the beads. Cut off a piece of the stretch bead cord and tie it around the bouquet. Arrange and bend the stems to your liking, and when you have it the way you want it, add some UV resin over the center and then cure it with a UV light. This will keep everything in place. I've seen several versions of these bouquets on the internet, and lots of different makers use a bow bead, which John Bead does have in their super cute acrylic bead selections. Instead, I'm going to make a 1/4 inch wide satin bow to give it a little softness. Create 2 loops and tie it into a half knot and then arrange. Before I glue on the bow, I'm going to glue a pin to the back with industrial glue, and when that's dry, flip it over and add a bow and you're done. I'm really inspired by all of the little beaded bouquets I've been seeing all over the internet, but I have to say, these crystal garden beads from John Bead really kick this project up a notch. This is something you could keep forever. Let me know what you think in the comments. I always love hearing from you. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want projects that I don't share anywhere else that are a bit more personal than what I share on YouTube, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2. And I'll see you real soon. Bye, everybody.